Hey everybody, Health Coach Abby here, and in honor of our 10-day summer fat burn sizzle, I'm going to be bringing you 10 days of healthy lean and green recipes. So come along, day one, no better place to start than egg roll in a bowl. It's a 3 or 4 ingredient wonder that you can whip up in no time. You're gonna love it and you're gonna feel great. Since it's day one, let's quickly review what a lean and green meal consists of. It first consists of protein. You want 5 to 7 ounces. I'm going with ground chicken today. Sometimes I use ground turkey, but this was way cheaper at the store. I'm gonna go ahead and cook this all up, and then I'm going to measure out 6 ounces to use, and I'll save the rest for tomorrow's recipe. Next component of a lean and green meal has to be your greens. Fun fact, they're not all green. Mushrooms still count, so does cauliflower. But today I chose to let the store do the work. I'm not even chopping anything. I'm just gonna go with this bag of tri-colored coleslaw, and I'm going to be weighing this out. You could also use a measuring cup. You need 1.5 cups or the appropriate weight according to the vegetable conversion chart. Your lean and green meal also needs a healthy fat. Because I chose chicken that is from the lean category, I do need 1 healthy fat. Normally I would use toasted sesame oil in this recipe, but I'm out, so I'm just gonna go with 1 teaspoon, which is a healthy fat, of regular old vegetable oil or whatever you've got on hand. The last component of a lean and green meal is your optional condiments. Now you can leave this at its 3 ingredient wonder and not do another thing to it, but there are 2 things that I'm gonna add plus 1 more I wanna tell you about. You could do soy sauce if you wanted. I happen to be out, but I do have this powdered Asian seasoning, which is 1 carb per teaspoon, and that is what you're looking for, 1 carb or less to qualify as a condiment. I'm also gonna go with some chopped scallions on top. Totally not necessary, but delicious. Before we actually bring all this together, I just wanna remind you, 6 ounces of chicken would be 1 full lean. We're gonna weigh out our cabbage to be 3 greens. We're gonna use our healthy fat in the form of oil, and then we're gonna do our 2 optional condiments in the form of Asian seasoning, 1 carb, as well as some scallions. I have my oil sizzling away. I went in with 2 teaspoons since I'm cooking a whole pound, and I'll just save the other half of this for the next day. Let's get this sauteed up. So my chicken is cooked through. I went ahead and measured out my 6 ounces, and I also measured out my cabbage. Look at this pile of cabbage you get for 4.71 ounces, which is the 3 servings you need. It's literally dump and go. We're gonna let this all cook up, and I'm going to add in my 1 teaspoon of Asian seasoning. You could also use soy sauce here, or you could omit it altogether. I'm gonna just stir that together and let it cook. As you can see, it's gonna make a huge portion and be so satisfying. Here's my finished egg roll in a bowl. How good does that look?